Hello, today we will guide you through how to find movies on Google Drive. To begin, open Google Drive in your web browser. This is where all of your stored files and folders are organized. So it's the best place to start when you want to quickly locate a video file or movie you've already uploaded or saved. Once Google Drive loads, take a moment to make sure you're on the main Drive page and that everything is finished loading properly. Next, click on My Drive. This section shows the files and folders that belong to your personal storage area. If your movie is saved directly in your drive, this is usually the most relevant location to search from. Starting in My Drive can help narrow your results and keep your search focused on your own content rather than files from other shared locations. After that, look for the Type option and click on it. This filter is useful because it helps you sort files by category. Since Google Drive can store many different kinds of files, such as documents, images, spreadsheets, and videos, using the Type filter makes it much easier to focus only on the kind of file you're trying to find. From the available file types, click on Videos. This tells Google Drive to display only video files, which is especially helpful if you have a lot of content in your account. By filtering to videos first, you reduce clutter and make the next search step much faster and more accurate. If the movie you're looking for is stored as a video file, it should now be included in the filtered results. Finally, go to the upper part of the screen and click the search bar icon, then type the name of the movie you want to find. This lets you search within the video results, making it easier to locate a specific file instead of scrolling through everything manually. Try entering the full movie title if you know it, but if that doesn't work, you can also search using part of the title to broaden the results. Once the search is complete, look through the matching files and open the one that appears to be the movie you want. If needed, you can also double-check the file name or preview to confirm it's the correct video. That's it. You've now learned how to find movies on Google Drive quickly by filtering for video files and using the search bar to locate a specific title.